Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Growing Guitar. We have Freya Skye here, and I believe she has a new album coming out. And yeah, don't judge me on this. I think it's called Stardust, and if it's a new album or not, I'm not sure. I know she has released some new songs here, so let's start with one of them. Maybe tomorrow. No, not today. It's today. We're gonna go with the song now, and we're gonna learn it. So the title is Maybe Tomorrow, and we have a capo set on the 6th fret. That's the absolute best scenario for us. And with that, we have a couple of chords. Once you learn them, then it's very simple to perform these guys. So yeah, the challenge here is all the chords. I believe we have like 7 or so. Let's dive into them. Starting with E minor first, and that will be open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, and open E. Next chord is the F major 7. That will be third D, second G, first B, and open E. We have the G6 next. And that will be third E, second A, and then you have just open strings down there. Open D, open G, open B, and open E. You could go with the standard G if you want to, then you have to add this third E string in there. But I think the G6 is easier, but also more focus on the bass chords, okay? Bass strings on the chord. So, yeah, that's the G chord. Now over to A minor. And that will be open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. Then we have the C as well. And that is third A, second D, open G, first B, and open E. We also got the C, E, so that's the exact same grip, but now you also incorporate the open E string in the bass. So that's the C, E. And finally, we have the F minor. That chord comes after the F major 7. So that's the F major 7, this one. And then F minor, you keep that third fret D string there, and then you just place a bar with the rest on the first fret. A short little bar that covers the E, the B, and the G string on the first fret. Keep that third D. That's the F minor in this song. And there you have all the chords. So, with that, we're going to learn the strumming pattern. So if you grab the first chord, E minor, and play like this. That's it. So 1 down, short pause, and then up, down, up. That is 1 strum round, and a couple of rounds to get the feeling for it goes like this. And so on. Alright, so let's start with the first verse. You're going to play 1 string round of the following chords: E minor, F major 7, G6, and A minor. Like this. E, F, G, A. You're going to play 4 rounds of this chord progression, and that is the first verse. Okay, the pre-chorus next at 16 seconds in, but you just got away. That's where in the lyrics. What you're going to play here is the first half goes G, 2, A minor 2, the F major 7, 2, and C 2. That's the first half. Then the second half is again G2, A minor 2, F major 7, 2, and F minor 2. So the only difference there between the two halves is the C is the ending chord in the first half, and the F minor is the ending chord in the second half. 2 strum rounds per chord. It goes like this: G, A, F, C, G, A, F, and minor. And that is a pre-chorus. Okay, beautiful. Now let's go into the chords now. It starts at about 33 seconds in. And again, we have 2 different halves here. The first half goes C, 4, then F major 7, 3, then G, 1. 1. And then A minor, 2, then G, 1, C, 1, and F major 7, 4. Okay? So I'm gonna play that for you first, and then we're gonna learn the part 2. So I go C4, major, F3, G1, A minor 2, G1, C1, F major 4. That's the first half. The second half is pretty similar. You're gonna play C3 and the CE1. Okay. Okay, so C3, CE1. It's the same grip, but you just incorporate this E string, the 1, the final of the 4. So yeah, C3, CE1. Then we have the F major 3, then the G6-1, then A minor 2, G6-1, C1, and then in the end we have the F major 2 and F minor 2. So the difference there between the first and the second half is the start, where you have the C3 and the CE1 instead of just C4, and the end where you split with F major 2 and F minor 2. So I'm going to play that for you as well, so let's do it. And that is the chorus. Beautiful. Okay, so after that we have the instrumental part. After this chorus, kind of a post-chorus part, what you're going to play here is one round on the first half of the chorus, which means the C4, the F major 3, the G1, the A minor 2, G1, C1, and F major 4. One round of that, and that will finish this first round. Now, the second round of everything now is played exactly in the same way as you just learned. No changes here at all. You're just gonna play exactly the same. You also have this post-chorus part or instrumental part right after, exactly the same again. And then you just finish off with one down on that beautiful C after this instrumental part. And that, my friends, is how you handle Freya Skye's Maybe Tomorrow, right? So grab a guitar and learn the 6, 7 chords. I believe there were 7 maybe, yeah. And that's it, okay? Hope you enjoyed it. If you want to learn more from Freya, stay on this channel. She will be back for sure. Hope you will be that as well. See you soon. Play tune.